afternoon, folks. What a beautiful, almost summer's day. Well, it's kind of spring. Welcome. My name's Peter Fernandez. Some of you might know me. For those who don't, I used to work for Auth0 by Okta, and I was a developer advocate working with, developer communities and extolling the virtues and, uses for the Auth0 product. I'm currently out having a walk. Well, actually, I'm trying to learn some lines for this. This is a production that I am doing in a few weeks' time, end of April, at the Warehouse Theatre in Ilminster. Yeah, that's right. Hopefully I'll know where it is when I go there. So, if you're in the area, which is in Somerset, down here in the UK, then please come and see me. Anyway, that's not what I wanted to talk about today. What I want to talk about today was a new project that I'm starting, and it's one of a number of projects I've got going this year, and it's called Discover CIAM. So, even though I no longer work for Auth0 by Okta, and if you want to know more about that, you can see my LinkedIn post, then essentially I'm still an expert in customer identity, and I still want to be able to share my subject matter expertise on customer identity and how you can integrate customer identity in the B2B or B2C SaaS application that you're building. So, what is Discover CIAM? Well, primarily it is an initiative to help you discover all about CIAM, and it's backed by a website, discovery.crevolution.co.uk/CIAM, and on that website you'll find a whole bunch of articles in blog post form, but you'll find a whole kind of layout and navigation that helps guide you through the various aspects of customer identity and access management. Oh yes, for those who don't know what CIAM is, it stands for Customer Identity and Access Management. So what can you do? Well, I'm going to share with you as I'm walking here, although by the power of modern technology really, I'm going to kind of overlay it, but here are some snips, if you like, some excerpts from the website. There's a whole bunch of navigation, obviously, and various pages that you can go to, and off of those pages you'll see a narrative that links you to some of the blog posts that I've got so far, and effectively telling you about the various aspects of implementing a successful CIAM solution to integrate with your, as I say, B2C or B2B SaaS application. So have a look around, spend some time at your leisure. Feel free to drop comments on any of the articles. Let me know what you think. You can contact me as well via most of my social accounts, and I provided contact details for all of those on each of the pages. So you shouldn't have to scramble around for anything. Feel free to reach out to me. Happy to answer any questions that you have. There's a lot of material on there that's going to help you if you're, either thinking of building a CIAM implementation yourself, considering integrating with some sort of CIAM SaaS provided by a third-party vendor, or deciding maybe to opt for what I call the DIY route, the deploy it yourself route using open source technologies. That's the route, as I go forward, I'm going to be favouring, and I'm going to be working with Keycloak and also OpenFGA. Keycloak to provide me with, OpenID Connect and SAML authentication services, and OAuth 2 authorization services. Just going through the creative tunnel here with the imaginative graffiti, just crossing underneath a busy main road, back out into the country now soon. Yes, and implementation of an OAuth 2 authorization server, and OpenFGA provides an implementation of a relationship-based access control model, or access control modeling system. You'll be able to read all about that on the site. You'll be able to read more about those technologies, and you'll be able to read more about the tech stack that I'm using, which I like to say I'm cooking everything by wok. which is WordPress, OpenFGA and Keycloak. So my site as it stands at the moment is essentially the first and initial draft. As I say, this is a project that I have ongoing for the foreseeable future, and I'll be adding to it with some experiences, providing hints, tips, code samples as I get into actually building out some integration with the site itself. And you'll be able to log in to discover CIAM and effectively try some of the things out that I talk about. Anyway, go have a look, let me know what you think. Contact me here on LinkedIn or wherever this video happens to be. Probably hosted on YouTube, so contact me there if you want to. But like I say, you'll be able to find me. I'll move because the sun was essentially glaring all over the place, but you should be able to find me anywhere else through the contact details on each of the pages and the blog posts. Anyway, hope to see you soon. Have fun, take care, and happy developing or integrating with CIAM too. Take care, bye bye.